Hi, this is Rhett with Miller's RV, and we are here today to answer a question. Do B vans need a separate generator to run the air conditioner? And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell on our YouTube channel. And make sure you look at all the videos that we keep posting and keep sending those questions in so we can keep answering them for you. Now, let's get back to the question about the needing a generator on a B van to run the air conditioner. Now, most B vans today are equipped with two air conditioners. You have a dash air conditioner that runs off your 12-volt system just like any automobile. And you've also got a rooftop 110 air conditioner that could operate one of three ways. If you go into a campground, obviously you're going to be plugging into shore power, and that will power the air conditioner for you. The other way you can do it is if you have a generator on board that pulls off the main fuel system, obviously you can run the rooftop air conditioner going down the road that way. Now the new technology, and I say new, it's been out for probably the last 9 or 10 years, is a lithium storage system with a second alternator under the hood that stores power for you in those cells on the rear of the van. Now they will run the rooftop air conditioner for you for a limited amount of time. So there's actually three ways that you can do that. And I hope that answers the question for you. And please keep sending the questions in and visit us on our YouTube channel or our website at millersrv.com. Remember, enjoy the journey.
Thanks so much for watching. I know you don't have anything else to do, so check out one of these other videos. Enjoy the journey.